Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to see comment history on YouTube. So in order to see comment history on YouTube, what you're gonna do is first of all open up your YouTube application and then go ahead and open up your YouTube settings. You'll be appeared with several options. Click on manage all history, and once you are on manage all history, what you're gonna do is go ahead and click on interactions and then click on comment likes and dislikes. Now here you can see all the history of comment that has done from your YouTube account or your YouTube channel. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can see comment history on YouTube. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.